What's up mga ka-AMU? Panibagong araw, panibagong unboxing na naman ang ating gagawin. Ngayong araw, i-unbox natin ang Lenovo N21 Chromebook. So bago natin buksan, basahin muna natin ang specifications and features. Lenovo N21 Chromebook with swivel camera and carrying handle. Chromebook that best fits any lifestyle, perfect for educational and remote work use with swivel camera and carrying handle. So the program is Google Chrome OS, 16GB SSD, 4GB DDR3 SD-ROM, 1333 mHz, Intel N2840 2.16 GHz dual core, burst up to 2.58 GHz, wireless protocol 802.11a or B or G or N or AC, Bluetooth 4.0, Intel Dual Band Wireless AC 7260, 11.6-inch HD anti-glare LED backlit display, 1366 by 768, 9.5 hours average battery life, AC 120 or 230 volts, 50 or 60 Hz, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, meron din siyang HDMI, headphone or microphone combo jack, memory card reader, 2-in-1 SD card or MMC. So warranty is for 1 month. Customer support, professionally tested and inspected. Dear valued customer, please kindly read the following reminders before checking out your orders. Number 1. Carefully read the product specifications. The seller is not liable if the device sold is not compatible with the apps you need. To avoid any hassle, please message the seller first if you have any concerns. Number 2. Replacement policy. For Shopee buyers, shipping fee for item replacement under warranty period to and from the seller will be shouldered by the buyer. Number 3. Good as brand new items are different from brand new. Our good as brand new items are refurbished but has the same quality and performance of a brand new device. But since they have been used before, please expect flaws and some scratches on the chassis. Buying from our Shopee store, select JNT Express upon checkout for faster delivery. Happy shopping! So buksan na natin ang Lenovo N21. charger, power adapter. Ito na siya. Wow! Ang smooth. Walang scratches. Yung handle. Yung swivel camera. Tapos, yung mga plugs. Yan. Yung eto din. So, try natin i-open. Baba tata. Ita-try na natin siya kung gumagana ba. Yung ilaw siya. Wow. Yun, gumagana siya. Yan na siya, guys. Yun na.